If you can see this question, here it's told in the problem a matrix is defined in terms of a parameter called theta, trigonometric part, okay, 2 cross 2. And it's also told in the problem that theta and phi differ by an odd multiple of pi by 2, differ by an odd multiple of pi by 2. So naturally it is understood n belongs to the set of integers. Integer set is denoted by z. Is it okay? Now E of theta into E of phi is what? Is the question asked. Cos squared theta into cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta, and here this is sin squared theta. Similarly, here I should now write E of phi should be written as cos squared phi, cos phi sin phi, cos phi sin phi, sin squared phi. Is it okay? Sin squared phi. So what will we do? Now we will multiply this. Cos squared theta cos squared phi, cos squared theta cos squared phi, plus cos squared cos theta cos phi, cos theta cos phi, sin theta sin phi, sin theta sin phi. Is it right? Similarly, we have to multiply here cos squared theta cos phi sin phi, cos phi sin phi, cos phi sin phi, plus sin squared phi cos theta sin theta. Is it right? Cos theta sin theta. Then cos squared phi cos theta sin theta plus sin squared theta cos phi sin phi, cos phi sin phi, and cos theta cos phi sin theta sin phi plus sin squared theta sin squared phi. Is that right? Sin squared theta sin squared phi. Now we can take out cos theta cos phi outside. We will be left with cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. I can write this as cos of theta minus phi. Yes or no? Cos of a minus b formula is what? Cos of, let me write it here, cos of theta minus phi can be written as cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi. We are going by the allied angle formulas, which you should know here in this case. Similarly, in this case here, we can take out sin theta and cos phi common, cos phi and sin theta common. So here also it will be cos of theta minus phi. Correct. In this case we can take out sin theta sin phi here, sin theta sin phi. If I take out, I will be left with cos of theta minus phi. And here cos theta and sin phi, if we take out common, cos of theta minus phi. So if you see here, theta minus phi is nothing but an integral multiple of phi by 2. If you see here, theta minus phi is an integral multiple of pi by 2. And all of you should understand this. Cos of an odd multiple of pi by 2, cos of odd multiple of pi by 2 is always equal to 0. So what do you get here? 0, 0, 0, 0. So the answer to the question is a null matrix. You see that everywhere odd multiple of pi by 2 of cosine trigonometric ratio will become 0. 0 into anything is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Answer will be a null matrix.